Hey guys, welcome to this quick tutorial where we'll explain how you can upload your Power BI project on GitHub. So let's get started. First, sign in to the Power BI service app.powerbi.com. In the nav pane, select Apps, then Get Apps. Then enter GitHub in the search box. Select the app and then choose Get It Now. Select Install when you see the notification your new app is ready. Select Go to App on the app landing page and select Connect your data. In the Connect dialog, enter the repository name and repository owner of the repo. The URL for this repo. Enter Microsoft Docs as the repository owner and Power BI Docs as the repo name. Select Next. And make sure that authentication method is set to OAuth2, and then select Sign In and Connect. If prompted, follow the GitHub authentication instructions and give Power BI permission to access your data. After Power BI can connect with GitHub, the data in your Power BI semantic model is refreshed once a day. After Power BI imports the data, you see the contents in your new GitHub workspace. Select Workspaces in the nav pane to see the dashboard, reports, and semantic models. You can select more options to view settings. And in Workspace settings, you can rename or delete the workspace. Then select your GitHub dashboard. You can minimize or expand the nav pane so you have more room to see your data. The GitHub dashboard contains live data, so the values you see may be different. Select the Ask a Question about your data text box. Power BI opens the queue and a window and offers some sample questions. After that, enter how many users. Power BI offers a list of questions. You can edit your question, for example, in between how many and users, type pull requests per. Power BI creates a bar chart visual that shows the number of pull requests per person. Then select the pin icon to pin the visual to your dashboard, then exit Q&A. On the GitHub dashboard, select more options on the column chart pull requests by month. Choose Go to Report. Then select a username in the total pull requests by user chart. A new tile appears with results for one user. After that, select the Punch Card tab to view the next page of the report. Now you can see volumes of work by hour of the day and day of the week. Now that you've finished the tutorial, you can delete the GitHub app. In the nav pane, select Apps. On the App tile, select More Options and then choose Delete. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.